You're on a creek walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it fun?
It is fun.
Yeah, there was no stopping you. You were going to get in the water no matter what, weren't you?
Yeah.
I tried. You'll have to tell your mama that I tried. It's fun to get dirty though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is fun. Come in the water.
Well, I'm not going to get in the water this time.
Why?
Because I don't want to get my shoes all wet. When it gets warmer, we'll go on a creek walk with our creek shoes on. We'll walk all the way down to the lake.
And will we fall into that?
Into the water? Well, we might, but it'll be okay because it'll feel good because it's hot. When it's hot out this summer.
Yeah. But it's cold right now.
Is it a little cold right now?
What are floating?
Okay, it's about time to go have dinner.